Okay, what is this? Like, bruh, it literally has my online friends' profile pictures. How is that possible on the freaking servers button? Hey everyone, before this episode, I'm sorry. Before this episode of the Elemental Mythical Birds begins, I just wanted to explain why explain a thing I kind of did. So I drew Polly. I bet you remember her from the pilot episode. You know, the Elemental Phoenix. Yeah, her. I haven't exactly revealed her real name yet, but her real name is Evelyn. Like, Larry, her real name is Evelyn. Like, seriously, like, don't exactly, like, you know, get me wrong or anything. And I also drew a picture of her. Like, seriously, I literally drew a picture of her. Yeah, I know, I didn't add color to her or anything. But anyway, this is the second episode of the Elemental Mythical Birds 2. Episode 2, oh my god. Anyway, make sure you leave a like and subscribe. So if you are kind of new to the series, you should go watch the first episode before the second episode. And I hope you did actually like the drawing of Polly I did. Although I might exactly add color, I don't know very well. But anyway, enjoy the episode. Okay, so let me get this straight. You were a rooster before you got here, and you don't remember your name just like we don't. Or even, like, how you got up here. No, I don't remember my name at all. I mean, I agree with the name Travis, but that's not exactly my actual name. And already that, we kinda don't exactly remember our names either. You don't. Nope, none of us do. Wow. So, how long have you guys been here? For days. Countless days, pretty much. We've been trying to figure out a way out, but apparently we were thinking of, like, Jumanji or something. Oh, for the love of God. Well, you see, we've been trying to figure out a way out. For sure. But we couldn't. Do you know anyone who knows how to get out? I think I know a weird dinosaur-like creature that has basically known much about this place. We don't know if he's a real bird or not, but we're thinking that he isn't. Wait, an elemental dinosaur, so he's probably not a real dragon, real bird, right? I don't know. I was kind of weird about him at first. You know, guys, like, okay, but who's the Dark Phoenix? Dark Phoenix, okay, do you know anything about him, Philip? Well, he said he knows some legend about the Dark Phoenix, so I don't think he's, like, not exactly a real bird who's been stuck here for, like, years or days or months, or even weeks. Maybe he might tell you about legends, too, Travis? Yeah. Dang. I mean, it's kind of rough, too. I don't exactly know much about anything. Oh, I think I might have an idea. Maybe, should we tell him the legend of the Dark Phoenix? I mean, I don't even know what he looks like either. I actually know what he looks like. I've seen him before, before I met you, Polly, and pretty much everyone. So, what do you know about him? Well, here's the legend of him. I don't like talking about it, but here's the legend. You see, the Dark Phoenix used to be in our element of the elemental birds until his element was forgotten. He was the last of his elemental thing, and, well, he was pretty much known to be the old elemental phoenix before Polly, so until something happened. He went near a gem. It cursed him into a body. So something weird happened, and he actually wanted the thing to turn back. It didn't accept. So he built an army by making a deal, and he got too attached to it. He started turning pure evil. Do we have any freaking news? If there's any freaking those elemental birds are still there. Not yet, Master. But we're working on it for a moment. Okay, go away. Don't keep me waiting. You know how sufferable it is in this stupid dark body. The light hurts me so much. All he liked was darkness. No peace. No light. No hope. Or even anything. He didn't like anything. He also has the power to possess anyone, too. Especially possessing their souls and everything. But if he gets everyone's element, it's game over for everyone. I will get those stupid birds. Even it's the last thing I do. Oh, God, that's horrible. How is he, like, how did he survive? Like, was he defeated before? He was. Until then, he went very insane. He's planning something. He's planning to kill us all and get all of our elemental powers and be unstoppable. Oh, I don't want to die. Oh, what will happen next if he kills us? Well, there might be a way he can't exactly kill us. He will find a way to get back to the real world, the one we went in. And then once he'll destroy everything. I mean, basically I'd be okay with my abusive parents being dead. But even though they were very mean to me, I would still care for them. Wow, he did tell us he had abusive parents? Okay, I'm sorry, I didn't tell you I had abusive parents. I just... What was your real name? Are you starting to remember now or something? No, I still can't. Well, true though, none of it. I think if any, bird, it turns into an elemental creature, if something enters here, they can't exactly remember their real names either. I remember my name started with an R, but I can't now. I can't remember, was it Rob? Ron? Or Robbie? That's basically kind of another name for Rob. Just give me some time. I need to remember and clear my mind. How did I get out here? Which way do I go? Oh, this sounds like a good place. How come I don't remember anything? I feel like I have amnesia. No, amnesia is like something you don't remember what you were going to do. Or something that you don't remember. If I went back and defeated that Phoenix, would I not remember anyone at school I made? Or, met? I don't know. This is just weird.